Hello, this is Miss Riley's Maths videos, and I'm going through the Algebra booklet revision that I'm doing with my third year higher level class, and I'm working through the solutions for exercise G. So find the value of the following: A equals 3, B equals 4, C equals minus 5. That means wherever I have an A, I'm going to put 3, wherever I have a B, I'm going to put 4, and wherever I have a C, I'm going to put minus 5. I tend to put them in brackets so that if the signs are negative signs or are multiplying with negatives, I know what's happening. So anyway, that's going to be 2. A minus B plus C is going to be 3 minus 4 plus minus 5. So 3 minus 4 minus 5, which is 3 minus 9, which is minus 6. 2ab minus 8c, and then the square root of it. So it means the square root of 2 by a is 3, by b is 4, minus 8 times minus 5. Okay, so the square root of 6 by 4 is 24, plus 40, the square root of 64, which is 8. Okay, simplify means multiply out the brackets and tidy up. So I'm going to rewrite it because it's quite a long one. So I've got to multiply everything in the second bracket by everything in the first bracket. So 2x by x is 2x cubed, 2x by x squared is 2x cubed, 2x by x, 2x by minus x is minus 2x squared, and 2x by 10 is 20x. 3 by x squared is 3x squared, 3 by minus x is minus 3x, and 3 by 10 is 30. So what goes together? This guy goes with nothing, 2x cubed. This guy and this guy go together and give me plus x squared. This guy and this guy go together, 20x minus 3x is plus 17x. And the 30 doesn't go with anything else either, so plus 30. So 2x cubed plus x squared plus 17x plus 30. I'm still multiplying out here. So I'm multiplying the whole numbers together. So 3 by 8 is 24. X squared multiplied by x is x cubed, and y multiplied by y squared is y cubed. So hopefully by now you know if you're multiplying expressions like that, you multiply the things together that are the same type of thing. You can still answer them all together, but you do them bit by bit. Here's another one. Simplify this. So x plus 1 squared minus x plus 2 squared. There's two ways of doing this. I'm going to do it the long way first. So x plus 1 squared is x plus 1 by x plus 1 minus x plus 2 by x plus 2. So x by x is x squared, x by 1 is x, 1 by x is x, and 1 by 1 is 1. That's my first bit. And this one is going to be x squared plus 2x plus 2x plus 4. So I have x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus x squared plus 4x plus 4, which is x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus x squared minus 4x minus 4. All of those things are being subtracted. So x squared minus x squared, they cancel each other out. 2x minus 4x is minus 2x, and 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Now, there is another way of doing that, which for those of you wanting to do well at leaving cert, I know that's ages away, but it's worth hopefully looking at that. Some of you will have gone, that's a bit strange because that's something squared minus something else squared. And hopefully you might have gone, that looks really like a dots. So if it was a dots, then it would be the first minus the second by the first plus the second. So I can actually simplify this by using the difference of two squares. I can say it's the first minus the second by the first plus the second. Now you may think, well, sure, I could have just done it normally, like you did a minute ago, and you could, but it's no harm to find other ways to do things so that when you come against other more complicated questions, that you have an idea of what's happening. So that gives you minus 2x minus 3. Okay? Solve for x. 4 minus 2x plus 5x minus 24. So 4x plus 3x. Oh, there's no equals. Let's just say it's equals 24. Equals 24. Minus 4, 3x equals 20. Divide by 3. X is equal to 6 and 2/3, 20 over 3. But there wasn't an equal. So if you didn't get that, don't worry. x over minus 2. So x divided by minus 2 equals 3. If x divided by minus 2 is 3, then to find out what x is, I'm going to have to multiply x over minus 2 times minus 2, and they'll cancel each other out. But if I do that to one side, I have to do it to the other. So x is equal to 3 times minus 2, which is minus 6. Minus 7x is equal to minus 40 minus 9. So minus 7x is equal to minus 49. They can be added together because they're both the same kind of thing. Divide by minus 7. So x is equal to minus 49 divided by minus 7, which is plus 7. And finally, 2x minus 1 over 3 is equal to x plus 5 over 4. So the way I'm going to do this, there's two different ways, so I'll do them both ways. The first way I'm going to do it is multiply by the LCM. So I'm going to multiply this side by 12 and this side by 12. Because the LCM of 3 and 4 equals 12. So the reason I multiply by the LCM is if I multiply this all by 12, then that will go in 4 times, and I've left with 2x minus 1 multiplied by 4. And if I multiply this side by 12, that will go in 3 times. So I'm left with 3 by x plus 5. Why didn't I just multiply this side by 3 and this side by 4? Because I have to multiply both sides by the same thing. 4 by 2x is 8x. 4 by minus 1 is minus 4 is equal to 3x. 3 by x, 3 by 5 is 15. X is to one side, numbers to the other. So 5x minus 4 is equal to 15. Add 4, add 4. Now this is a bit weird because it doesn't turn out nicely. 5x is equal to 19 divided by 5 divided by 5. X is equal to 3 and 4/5. 19 divided by 5. Okay? Okay, I hope that's helpful. Bye.